What is a primary function of the spine cord? Carrying nerve signals to the body. What is the name of the building with a warning light that helps boats to navigate safely? Lighthouse. What animal eats leaves from the tops of trees? Giraffe. What is the capital of Afghanistan? Kabul. What is iron? Metal. Which mountain range gets its name from the Sanskrit language, meaning abode of snow? Himalayas. Where is Rome? Italy. What types of products does Sony primarily manufacture? Electronics. Who is Shakira? Singer. A red rose may be given as a sign of what? Love.